Welcome. This lesson introduces the clutch, a key part of a vehicle's transmission system. Understanding how it works is vital for anyone in the automobile parts business in Nigeria, helping you advise customers and sell the right parts. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to master these key objectives. First, let's understand the transmission system. Its job is to take power from the engine and deliver it to the wheels. It changes the engine's power to allow the car to start, accelerate, cruise, and even reverse. The transmission varies torque for different driving needs, allows the car to go backward, and has a neutral position. The clutch is the component that makes the connection and disconnection of this power possible. Clutch is a mechanical device that engages and disengages power from the engine to the transmission. Think of it as a switch for the engine's power. Its main purposes are to allow the car to start smoothly without stalling, to disconnect power so you can change gears, and to protect the entire drivetrain from sudden shocks. Now let's look at the parts that make up a typical manual clutch system. Knowing these parts is essential for merchandising. Here are the key components and their main functions. Let's look at each one more closely. The clutch disc, or friction plate, sits between the flywheel and the pressure plate. Its friction surfaces grip the flywheel to transfer power to the transmission. The pressure plate assembly is bolted to the flywheel. It uses a powerful spring called a diaphragm spring to clamp the clutch disc tightly. The release bearing and clutch fork work together. When the driver presses the clutch pedal, the fork pushes the release bearing against the pressure plate's spring, which releases the clamping force. Now, let's see how it works. When the clutch pedal is released, a powerful spring in the pressure plate clamps the clutch disc firmly against the engine's flywheel. This locks them together, allowing power to flow to the transmission. When the driver presses the pedal, the release bearing pushes on the spring. This action pulls the pressure plate away from the clutch disc, creating a gap. The engine's power is interrupted, allowing for a smooth gear change. As a parts merchandiser, you must know the signs of a bad clutch. Common symptoms include slipping, chattering, difficulty changing gears, or strange noises. In Nigeria, with our high number of manual transmission vehicles, the clutch is a high-demand part. Selling genuine quality clutch components is crucial. A fake or substandard clutch can fail quickly, leaving drivers stranded and causing accidents. Your knowledge helps mechanics and car owners make the right choice. To summarize, the clutch is the critical link between the engine and transmission. By understanding its components and function, you are better prepared to succeed in the automobile parts merchandising business. Thank you for watching.